Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Home and link Philips Hue, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your device and locate the Google Home app. Download and install the Google Home app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't done so already. Once installed, open the Google Home app. You will see a welcome screen. Tap on Get Started. Sign in with your Google account credentials. If you don't have a Google account, select Create Account and follow the prompts. After signing in, the app will request permissions to access your device's location and other features. Allow the necessary permissions to enhance the app's functionality. Once inside the app, tap on the plus icon to add a device. Select Set Up Device from the menu. Choose Works with Google to link third-party devices. In the search bar, type Philips Hue and select it from the list. You will be prompted to sign in to your Philips Hue account. Enter your Philips Hue account credentials and click Login. Next, grant the app permission to access your Philips Hue devices. Once linked, the app will display your Philips Hue lights. Choose the lights you want to control with Google Home. After selecting your desired lights, tap Done to finish the setup. Return to the main screen of the Google Home app. You can now control your Philips Hue lights using voice commands or the app interface. To test the connection, try giving a voice command like, "Hey Google, turn on the living room lights." You should see your Philips Hue lights respond. Enjoy seamless control of your smart lighting with Google Home. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.